Digital PR Unfiltered. Chapter 1. Visibility today equals authority tomorrow. One of our clients, a personal injury law firm from Las Vegas, wanted to grow their visibility beyond local directories and legal blogs. The competition was fierce, and traditional link building had plateaued. So we pivoted to a data-driven digital PR strategy. We created 6 campaigns, each built around real-world public data. Topics included speeding hotspots, ER visits during holidays, and even Halloween safety tips. These weren't fluffy PR stunts. They were tightly packaged, visual-first stories, and included state-by-state breakdowns, making them instantly usable for editors. The result? Coverage on high DR sites like on Yahoo, SF Examiner, and over 40 other media outlets. All organic, all earned. More importantly, the law firm didn't just gain backlinks. They became known as a trusted voice on injury prevention and public safety. Local news stations started reaching out to them for expert commentary. That's what digital PR does when done right. It earns attention, authority, and trust, all in one shot. While the main goal is long-term SEO impact, it also has immediate effects like improving EEAT scores and brand authority. To truly understand why digital PR deserves your attention and effort, let's first establish a basic truth. SEO isn't what it used to be. Metrics like domain authority, page rank, and raw backlink counts have become secondary. In no way does this imply that traditional measures do not matter anymore. They do. But if there's one thing that trumps all these aspects, it's brand authority. But what do we mean by brand authority? Simply put, it's the level of trust and recognition a brand holds among its most relevant audience. In the past, brands could lean on traditional PR tactics or sheer backlink volume to get there. That's no longer enough. With Google's AI overviews, multi-search optimization, MSO, and large language models, LLMs, changing how people discover and evaluate brands, your visibility needs to extend beyond rankings. Today, authority is built by being consistently mentioned in credible sources and by being recognized by AI systems as a real, reputable entity. Rankings are a mixed bag of topical authority, user engagement, and branded mentions by AI models. This ties directly into a concept called name entity recognition, NER, one which we will unpack further in Chapter 3. But before we get into the technical stuff, let's dig deeper into what visibility has come to be, what digital PR really is, and how it can help you get visible. The new rules of visibility. The rules of search have changed, and they're still changing. In this AI-shaped internet, getting found isn't just about keywords and rankings anymore. It's about being recognized, referenced, and trusted across multiple touchpoints: search, social, and syndicated media. Here's what visibility looks like now. 1. Recognition and trust. Search engines now favor brands that are widely talked about, not just the ones with the most backlinks or highest DR. If your brand is consistently mentioned across credible sites, expert roundups, and news coverage, you're sending trust signals that matter to both users and algorithms. At DWS, we worked with a wellness tech client whose blog strategy was hitting a ceiling. We pivoted to a digital PR play focused on mental health trends and wearable data insights. With 60 targeted placements over 90 days, including on health and tech publications, the brand saw a 143% lift in traffic and started showing up organically in best wellness apps recommendations across affiliate blogs and aggregator platforms. That's recognition that scales. 2. AI integration. AI systems like Google's Search Generative Experience SGE2, ChatGPT, and Gemini don't just pull from traditional SERPs. They synthesize content from high-authority, high-context sources. The more often your brand is cited in trustworthy environments, the more these systems treat you as an entity worth surfacing. We saw this firsthand with a SaaS productivity tool we helped promote. By securing placements in TechRadar, The Next Web, and a handful of HR-focused blogs, the brand's name started appearing organically in AI-generated product comparisons. No paid push, just earned mentions, good data, and relevance. Third, audience alignment. People click what they recognize. They trust names they've seen before. And they're more likely to engage with brands that show up in spaces they already read or respect. Digital PR accelerates this familiarity, getting your brand into the media ecosystems your audience actually consumes. For example, when we ran a Halloween safety story for a personal injury law firm, we knew the goal wasn't just backlinks. We secured coverage on USAToday, Yahoo, Mashable, and over 40 regional news outlets. Weeks later, the firm was invited by a local news station to weigh in on public safety issues, an opportunity born directly from earned visibility. When you're visible across platforms people trust, and when AI sees you as a consistent source, you're not just ranking, you're recognized. And that's the foundation of brand authority in today's search environment. But to build that kind of visibility, you first need to understand what digital PR really is, and what it definitely isn't. In the next chapter, we'll separate the real thing from the fluff, bust a few myths, and help you spot the difference between effective earned media and tactics that only look like PR on the surface. Chapter 1 Summary. Search engines and AI models like Google, SGE, ChatGPT, and Gemini now favor brands that are consistently cited by credible sources. Earning this type of visibility requires more than backlinks. It demands brand authority. Digital PR drives that authority by helping your brand show up across respected publications, industry roundups, and expert content, where both users and algorithms are looking. It fuels EEAT, influences AI-generated results, and aligns your message with the media ecosystems your audience already trusts. The new rules of visibility prioritize named entity recognition, NER, audience alignment, and media placements that signal authority. When your brand is consistently referenced across trusted platforms, you gain relevance in both human and AI environments. So, if you want to read the full book, get it on Amazon.